This is Ball 104 Luigi at Ann Arbor Hands-on Museum. As you may recall, there used to be a 48-inch NuTone Proline industrial, but they have since been replaced with I think it's a 44-inch Hunter Perlman ceiling fan. They're not my favorites, to be honest. They're okay, they're just not my favorites. I just wish they had never replaced them though. Well, anyway. And I wish I could go in there. The door's probably locked, so I don't have access to the ceiling fan controller. So yeah, thanks for watching. One last thing that I forgot to mention. The upstairs also used to have a 36-inch Dayton leading edge ring industrial fan probably from the early or mid 80s, I guess. That has since been removed, unfortunately. So here's another view of these 44-inch Hunter Perlman ceiling fans. Alright, place your comments below and I'll see you later. Ball 104 Luigi signing off. And also, it's my first time coming to Ann Arbor Hands-on Museum after probably 23 and a half years, I guess. Peace.